This is a room tour of 1215, which is a remodeled spa suite at New York in Las Vegas. And I've got to say, this is probably my favourite room I've stayed at this trip. I really like the remodel. So toilet in here, walk-in shower there, with body wash and shampoo and what have you. There's your sink. Unfortunately, the only downside with this room is, once again, I didn't get any housekeeping. And that wasn't because I had the Do Not Disturb app. They just don't turn up. This city's got a major problem with housekeeping. Every single, in fact, not just this city, Tahoe as well. Every single hotel I've stayed at has had a problem with housekeeping. I really like these sort of distressed mirrors. Obviously they're windows, but they're really mirrors. But I'm assuming this spa here, this tub, was here before and they've not done anything new. Maybe put some new taps and what have you on it. But that will be the same as always been in this room, I would imagine. Some nice New York inspired artwork. But again, you know, I just like the brick effect, wallpaper. It does make it feel like you're in one of those sort of New York apartments, you know. Bed's great. Looks cool. I've made that. It's not normally that unironed. And you're safe. And you've got your own fridge in here. TV, drawer space, chaise lounge, and this is the view. We've got a great view of Park MGM, Rio over there, and you can watch people go around the roller coaster if you wish. So not a bad view actually, I like it. So I got this on a MGM Rewards comp, 4 free nights, $225 in free play, and $350 in resort credit. And it's not just the room that's been redecorated. Everything, let me just show you when you go outside. I mean, this property, I've been really impressed just generally how they spruced it up. So you've got all of these sort of metro style signage and what have you outside. I think it's really cool. So yes, assuming you can get someone to actually clean your room, I would it's well worth staying for sure. Great room, really nice air conditioning as well. In fact, they have something that pushes the air conditioning to the center of the room here, look, which is quite clever, so it doesn't spray out where you don't sit. So yeah, as I said, very impressed. I'll stay here again. Great food options downstairs as always. It's certainly one of my top destinations for a solo trip these days, New York, and I will be back. Thanks for watching.